extra hot sort of forecast. We're above average for our temperatures. Our humidity is moving up, so our feels like temperatures are going up as well. So that's what we can expect really for the foreseeable future in the next week plus. Spotty showers and storms, though, could provide a little relief to a few of us at least, and that'll remain possible through the weekend. Thankfully, no tropical threats here. We start thinking a lot about that at mid-August and late August, of course, but we have one storm out there, Ernesto, now a hurricane heading toward Bermuda, so not a concern for us or a threat even to the east coast of the U.S. Right now we're at 93. We have some clouds mixing with some sun. We have our heat advisory in effect. We've had this in effect many days this summer for a heat index up to 112. And we are seeing that our air temperatures now around 95 for a lot of our North Shore spots. And then the feels like temperature, look at this, up to 111 at Slidell and Belle Chase, 114 we're seeing at Mandeville. So a really just kind of hot, slightly muggier feel than we've had lately as our humidity is going up a bit, but not a lot of rain at this point. Our rain chance today I have near 20, maybe up to 30%, and our high temperature close to where it has been, upper 90s, 97s and 98s. Looking at our high resolution model through this afternoon, still looks pretty quiet through about 3 p.m. But then look what happens as we head toward the early evening. This is 5 and 6. We might have a few storms. At least this high resolution model is hinting at some north of Lake Pontchartrain. So wouldn't be bad, I guess, to get a brief downpour and cool you down a bit and get some rain for you north of Lake Pontchartrain. Not sure how much that is going to make it far south, but we do at least have that chance for rain this afternoon, calming down this evening. And then tonight we have a few clouds around, muggy and warm feel. North and South Shore lows about 80 degrees or so. Also something tonight, Jupiter and Mars are going to be very close together. They were actually closest early this morning, but tomorrow morning it'll look good too. Just get up before sunrise if you're up that early and look out to the east and you'll see the two of them very close to each other. So just a little something to see there. High temperature forecast for the next several days is right there in that range in the upper 90s, but our official average hottest stretch of the year is almost over. There are just 2 days now until our average temperature starts to fall. Does that really affect our weather this week? No, but maybe it's something fun to look forward to as we see our average high temperatures, the hottest right now at this point in the year, from mid-July to mid-August, and on the 16th of August, it drops to 91 from where we've been with the average high at 92. So again, not really a big deal, but we are starting that downslope with our temperatures at least. So that'll be something nice to look forward to as we head closer to fall. This weekend, though, very summery kind of feel, very August feel, 96s and 97s for highs both days. We may have a slightly higher chance of rain on Saturday, maybe about a 30% chance. And then Sunday, we're looking for just a slight chance for a few showers and storms. Latest in the tropics, Ernesto has become a hurricane, the third of the season. It's a Category 1. The center now, thankfully, to the north of Puerto Rico, so we'll soon leave behind its effects for the island of Puerto Rico, but still some rain cloud cover there right now, but things will be easing and improving pretty shortly. And then it gets very close to Bermuda by this weekend. So this is late Friday night to early Saturday. It may pass very close or maybe just west, it looks like right now, of the island of Bermuda, possibly as a Category 2 or maybe even could briefly attain Category 3 status somewhere around or just before them. And then it continues off farther to the north. Our European model, for example, showing you can see Bermuda's right here. And you can see this is by early Saturday, spreading that rain and wind over Bermuda and then at least quickly moving off farther to the north and making it toward Nova Scotia by this weekend or early next week, really into Monday. 7-day forecast for us. We're continuing so typical August. Just be ready for heat, take breaks, drink lots of water. You know what to do if you have to be out there in the mugginess plus the heat this week. And the trend continues into early next week with a chance of a few showers and storms at least to help us out a little bit for some in the afternoons.